During World War II, the US created a secret unit, the Ghost Army. Their tool, inflatable tanks, fake radio signals, pre-recorded battle sounds. Artists, actors, and designers went to the front lines, not to fight, but to deceive. They convinced the Nazis a massive division was ready to attack. In truth, it was all clever tricks, noise, and illusions. In one operation, they saved over 15,000 lives. The wildest part? Their existence stayed secret for 40 years. Mind blown? Like and subscribe for more hidden history not taught in school.